Hey guys! In this video, I'll quickly break down the difference between Flask and Django, and help you figure out which one you should learn first in 2025. Both are Python web frameworks, but they serve different purposes, and knowing which one fits your goals will save you a lot of time. Let's start with Flask. Flask is what we call a micro-framework. It's lightweight, simple, and gives you full control over your app. You start small, just routes, templates, and requests, and then add features as you go. It doesn't come with built-in authentication or database systems. Instead, you decide what tools to add, and how to structure your code. That's why Flask is perfect if you love flexibility or if you're still learning how web apps really work under the hood. Now, Django is completely different. It's a full-stack framework, meaning it comes with almost everything you need out of the box: authentication, admin panel, database ORM, forms, sessions, and more. Django gives you structure. You follow its pattern, and in return, you can build big, production-level projects faster. It's great for teams and larger apps where you want consistency and less setup work. So here's how to know which one is right for you. If you're just starting out and want to understand backend development deeply, go with Flask. It's easier to learn, and you'll actually see how routes, requests, and templates work. But if you already understand those basics and you want to build big applications, like blogs, dashboards, or e-commerce sites, then Django is the better choice. So in short, Flask helps you learn. Django helps you scale. If you're a beginner, start with Flask. If you're going professional, go with Django. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which one you're using or learning right now, Flask or Django. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick dev tips and Python videos.